Welcome car audio enthusiasts. We are here in the workshop late on a Friday and I've got Jay, Sarah and Sam in the corner working on the car. I've been working on the car, but I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you what we're actually putting in Sarah's car. So all this equipment's come from Sarah. It's an interesting mix. It's certainly not something I would do, and it's certainly not something Sam would do. And interesting, everyone has a very different opinion of a 1998 Toyota Starlet. It's an awesome car to do a sound system in, because anything you put into it is going to be worth more than the car, for starters. And the second thing is, it's just such an easy car to work on. There's no technology in it. You can pull it apart and put it back together really easily. So let's have a look at what we're doing. Okay, these are a square sub. A lot of square subs that I can recall came out. Haven't seen these ones before, but all the Sarah's gear's MTX. So this is the equipment that she has brought with her for us to install. Now, it's a curious mix of gear. We've got two of these Thunder subs, the 12-inch dual 4-ohm square subs. They've got an FS of 31 Hertz. They should go okay in a sealed box. That's what we were looking at doing anyway. It seemed to model okay for the size that we've got to work with in the boot. So we've got two of those. Now we've got the Thunder 12.5.4s and a 1500.1 for the subs. We've got these tiny little mid-range speakers and tweets. I'm not sure how these are going to sound for such a small speaker. They don't seem to play very low, so we really need to have good mid-bass. Now, speaking of mid-bass, Sarah's come along with these speakers, which are these MTX Extremes. Now, these are a PA speaker, not a mid-bass speaker. So there's not going to be much mid-bass out of these at all, but we're going to try and put them in the car where Sarah wants them, which is under her feet, effectively. So we've made some enclosures to fit them under the, in front of the passenger and the driver's seat. All running off an Eclipse head unit. And that's really about it. I'm using a bunch of my Streetwise gear. We're putting in some full river batteries. Now, this is the rear battery setup I've been starting on. So, obviously got a fuse for where the power comes in from the front battery, a fuse for where the power goes out to the system. The front battery is also fused. We've done our ground, a bit hard to see in this light. A lot of frivolity going on over there. I wonder if there's any work happening. And we've ripped out the old battery, and this is the new battery, the case to go in. And so we've got a bit of work to do yet on this car electrically. So bought a bunch of Stinger cable to run through the car. We put some full river batteries in. And of course, for those of you who don't know, if you jump on our website, oldschoolcaraudio.com.au, we do sell full river batteries. We do sell lithium batteries, and we also sell Stinger products as well. So guys, if you're looking for some Stinger products, you can jump on the website. I do like this cable. It's probably the only cable I've used which is flexible, you can solder it, it cuts well, it's just nice. There are a lot of cables out there. There's a lot cheaper cable I've used too, which is pretty good, but I do like the Stinger stuff. So guys, that's the system in a nutshell. It's certainly not something I would put in a car. I'm a bit concerned about the mid-bass crossover. I'm really worried about that, actually, how these are going to perform. But ultimately, Sarah's criteria was it's her equipment, and she likes her music loud, and I suspect that she probably won't notice a lacking of mid-bass, but let's see. So let's go to the router bench and the tables and see what the guys are up to.